A state lawmaker is sharing a long-held secret with King 5 News. Representative Debra Lekanoff is battling an alcohol addiction. In a Facing Race exclusive, the representative tells us that she hopes her story will inspire others to seek help and get the state to do more to help those in recovery. Here's Olympia Bureau Chief Drew Mickelson.
What is our goal for salmon?
Public speaking. It's part of the job as a state legislator.
No, I just need to take a minute to just breathe.
But Representative Debra Lekanoff is about to reveal something she's never said publicly.
I'm a fresh recovering addict who came out of recovery just a few months ago. I don't think I would have stepped into recovery and continued the work I'm doing today unless I realized I wasn't alone.
One of only a handful of Native American legislators in state history, Lekanoff passed laws to eliminate Native American mascots in schools.
Billy taught me the word of courage.
And was behind the effort to get a statue honoring civil rights hero Billy Frank Jr. to represent Washington at the U.S. Capitol. But her priority this year, help those battling addiction, just like herself. She quit drinking last summer.
I think my time that I really realized that I was an addict and I needed help was when I realized there were days I couldn't leave my house. Were there days when I was alone? Or the look from my daughter's eyes of seeing the ultimate disappointment.
Under a package of bills she calls Heal One Washington, Lekanoff wants the state to follow the lead of the tribes who have built wellness centers to help their members, along with the general public, facing addiction. Her proposals would build more facilities and boost support for drug and mental health services.
So for 52 years, I didn't know who I was or what my purpose was, and I didn't know that there was something wrong with me. But it really wasn't something wrong. It was the fact that I had an illness.
She fears sharing her secret could hurt relationships and damage her reputation at the Capitol. And she also worries about the impact on the state's Native Americans.
I hear this all the time. Those natives, they're just addicts. Should have assimilated them, should have done away with them. History shows that. But I'm sitting here in the state legislature recognizing and understanding that I can rise above that stereotype, that stigma of being Native American, that stigma and stereotype of being an addict.
She hopes coming forward and fighting for those just like herself will inspire others to speak up and get help.
And make sure that the next generation from now, the next mom, won't have their daughter look at them and wonder whether or not they're going to wake up the next day, because that mom has the courage to say, I need help.
Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.